Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Claude AI to your Shopify store. Alright, so let's begin. This integration allows you to interact with your Shopify store using natural language and even perform tasks directly through Claude. So let's get started. First, open Claude and sign into your account. Once you're inside, click on your profile icon and open Settings. From there, go to the connector section and click on Customize. Next, search for Shopify. If it doesn't appear right away, click on Browse Connectors to view all available integrations. Here, search for Shopify and find the Shopify connector and click Add. You'll then be redirected to the Shopify connection page. Select the store you want to connect. If you manage multiple stores, make sure you choose the correct one. After selecting it, click Install to begin the setup process. During the installation, Shopify will show you the permissions that Claude is requesting. These permissions may include access to customer information, products, inventory data, and the ability to make edits. Once the connection is established, you can open the connector settings and customize how permissions work. For example, you can require approval before Claude performs certain actions. This allows you to approve requests individually instead of granting permanent access, giving you more control over changes made to your store. After the setup is complete, start a new chat in Claude and test the integration. You can enter prompts such as creating a new product draft with a name and description. Whenever Claude attempts to make changes to your store, you may receive a permission request. Depending on your preference, you can approve the action once or allow future access. Now, go back to your Shopify store and open the product section. You'll see that the product has been added successfully. If you open the product, you'll also notice that a short description has been included. You can then return to Claude and ask it to update the product further. For example, you can ask it to add a price to the item. After a few moments, go back to Shopify and refresh the page. As you can see, the price has been added exactly as requested. You can also upload a product image to make the listing more complete. Beyond product creation, the Shopify and Claude integration can also help with store management and analysis, and that's it. This is how you can connect Claude AI to your Shopify store. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.